Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, my name is Zevania Aurellianty with the student number is 2061301 and from class D, and today I'm going to do a practicum of acetylene with the topic is practice making pulveres or powder. Hope you guys enjoy this video and happy watching.
Before we start the practicum, I am going to explain what is pulveres. Pulveres is a powder that prepared divided into the same weight and dosage. The manufacture of pulveres often occurs variation in weight and homogeneity that affect the accuracy of the dose. Advantage and disadvantage of pulveres. Powder are more easily dispersed and more soluble than other oral dosage form, thus providing immediate therapeutic effect, easier to swallow than other solid preparation, more soluble than liquid preparation, and easier in dosage setting. Classification of pulveres or powder preparation divided into four. The first one is pulveris aspersoreus, which is powder or talcum powder. The second one is pulveris dentrificus, which is tooth powder. The third one is sternal pulveris, which is sneezing powder. And the last one is effervescent pulveris. There are four powder requirements. The first one is homogeneous, the second one is smooth, the third one is dry, which is not wet and damp, and the last one is uniform in weight, uniform in composition and content. Here's the material and tools that we need. Here's I already prepared the medicine according to the calculation and amount in the formula. The first one is mortar, the second one is temper, the third one is spatula, the fourth one is parchment papers, and then vitamin C to replace the amoxan because we need a prescription to buy amoxan because amoxan is an antibiotic, and then Rezmha, and the last one is plastic clip and white label because it is internal medicine. So how do we identify and mix them? First, we need to find the one with the hardest efficacy, which is Rezmha. Before that, make sure that the mortar is clean. And then I crush it like this until it's smooth and homogeneous. The spatula is used to help while crushing the tablet. To continue the next crush, you need to make sure that the position of the powder is in the middle of the mortar. As you can see that the drug looks homogeneous and smooth. After that, we put the powder on the parchment paper. The first one is the mixture of Rezmha. Next, we are going to proceed with the vitamin C. Like the previous step, we crush the tablet until it's homogeneous and smooth. As you can see in the video that the vitamin C is become a powder and it looks smooth and homogeneous. Then we got the mixture of vitamin C. Same like the previous step, I put the mixture on the parchment paper. Next, to mix both of them, as I mentioned before, the order starts with the hardest one, which is Rezmha. The next is vitamin C. After that, we put them on the mortar and then we crush it again and mix them until it's smooth and homogeneous. As you can see in the video that it's already looks so smooth and homogeneous. And then I'm going to put them on the other parchment paper. Make sure that the mortar is clean and clear. Now we are going to pack into 6 packs. First, we prepare the parchment paper for the wrap. Count and take 6 of them. Then we can do a little helping trick by folding the top or edge side of the paper. After fold a little and then divide it into 6 and place it using symmetric compositions. So if we have 6 papers, here we divide it into 3 times 2 formation. After that, now we divide the drugs equally using this method. If possible, make it into a mountain at the center, like this. We can see and check it. See and check how many should we add to make the powders divided equally. Now we check it again if some are still lacking and then we move some to make it equal, like this. After done dividing, now we are going to wrap it. Okay, here's the one of the folding technique. You do like this until it reaches the end. And then you fold it like this. And then this part of the paper goes into the side of the paper, like this. This is how the pulveres looks like. And then replay the step to the other pulveres. For the last part, we put it inside its packing, each and every one of the pulveres from earlier. Usually it goes inside it to the pack, like this. Then we stack it as neatly as possible. And then we just have to add the medicine label inside it, like this. Because it's internal medicine, we're using the white label.